Hey, this is Kurt DeYoung with Barco. I'm here at Spring Studios for New York Digital Signage Week. Here we're featuring our UniSee LCD video wall product. These are all 55-inch HD panels, and here we've got a fantastic 3x3 orientation, so you can obviously create quite a big space depending on your technical needs and your commercial needs. A couple of the things that are really unique about the UniSee product are, number one, the gap. The seaming gap is the smallest in the industry, just at 0.9, which really gives you a fantastic ability to create just a fantastic canvas that's incredibly impressive. The other thing that's really unique about UniSee, you'll see the color uniformity across the panels is stunning, right? So we have a proprietary technology called SenseX that really takes color sampling from all of the panels and compares them with a profile that you have set for the wall, and it makes sure that the wall continues to perform back to that standard. The other thing that's very unique, and you can't see it here, is the mounting system. But one of the unique things about UniSee is that the mounting system actually holds the input-output board. You know, this is an example, as well as an external power supply. So essentially, each one of these monitors that's fixed on the wall is a dumb monitor with all of the electronics off board. So when we have to go and service these, we're not having to replace the electronics at the same time, which makes the maintenance and repair of these walls fantastic over time. So great ROI. So if you're looking for a fantastic video wall product and you're interested in UniSee, please visit us at barco.com.